Gotta breathe. We have to take this week easy and remember that this struggle is okay. And if we get stuck on something this week, that we we don't dwell on it, and we just try to get through it. Um, and maybe we need to skip it or come back to it later, take a break. So we do have a little different schedule this week, and I have some more activities for us this week as well. So I just want to go through what our week looks like, and I will let you go. So, looking at our schedule, first of all, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to have all the same schedule. So about 9 until 9:30, we're going to have our morning meeting, our whole class, and then we're going to start groups. So at 9:40 to 10:10 is Group A. Group A is over here. All of these people are in Group A, all these kiddos. So it would just be you and me during that 9:40 to 10:10, or you, me, and a couple other teachers. But for that 9:40 to 10:10 time, so Group B, you'll be logging out after morning meeting, and then it'll just be Group A. So Group B, you can go work on your assignments during that time. And then at 10:20, Group B is going to come back in. Group A will leave. Group A, you can start working on your assignments during this time. Some of you will be going with Mrs. Whiteman at that time, but for this week, you'll get a break. And then at 11 to 11:45, we're coming back as a whole class to work on probably ELA, some science, that kind of thing. I'm still trying to figure out what we're going to do, but everybody's back at 11 o'clock. And then that's till about 11:30 or 11:45, I'm thinking, this week. And then lunch in here, and then office hours, small group, independent work. And I hope I get to work with some of you in the afternoons. Wednesday, 9 o'clock, same start time. We'll go for a little longer for our whole class. No groups on Wednesday. No groups Wednesdays right now. We're going to have the optional social hour at 10 o'clock this week for about an hour. We'll see how long that lasts. And then at 11 to 12, independent work and office hours. And then we have, you can go to lunch then. And then we have art at 12:05 to 12:45 this week. Yes, art. And you can have lunch after that if you like as well, because then we're done with, and then you have independent work and done at 2 o'clock. So groups have over here on the right-hand side, we have Group A and Group B. So the times are underneath there, and that those kiddos meet Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. And then don't forget band and orchestra, 2 o'clock to 2:45. I think orchestra might be 2:15 still, but I put 2 o'clock just to be on the safe side. Band and orchestra, Tuesday and Friday, 2 o'clock to 2:45. I know band is 2 o'clock, but orchestra might be 2:15. We'll have to check on that. Same buttons, couple different ones. Well, same buttons except for I added a Zern button. That is not anything yet, so you can't click it. It doesn't do anything. But that's going to be Mrs. Whiteman's button. So when she starts her classes up, I'm going to have the kids click the Zern button from Mrs. Whiteman. I don't know. This is the only button I could find that made sense so far, which doesn't really make sense. Okay, so this week we have week 3, September 21st through the 25th. When you click in here, I have our check-in right up top right now, so you can go ahead and check or click that and see what, kind of see where, if parents or families want to go in here and see what we're doing, you can see, and the kids can kind of keep track of their own work throughout the week or wait till the end. So we have 5 assignments in math this week. Gives you about 1 a day. Average, right? 5 days a week, 5 assignments. ELA, we also have 5 assignments, 1, 2, 3, in a read aloud, Seed Folks chapters 1 through 3. And then in that exit slip is our 5th assignment. And then I have other, I might be adding to this throughout the week, but right now this is what we have. We have a new robotics challenge that is not up and running yet, but I'm going to hopefully get that soon. Typing club, pulled back a little bit on that, maybe just twice a week. Try to get in there twice a week and practice some typing. Try Khan Academy again. And did you get into the specialist folder? They have some special activities for you guys that I would like you to do this week. So the specialist folder. Okay, so that's the checklist. And math, I have a video before. Well, first I have a video on the front page, how to take screenshots using your Chromebook. That's very important to know for our assignments. Hint, hint. And we have our must-do folder below that. And I have a video. I have our assignments labeled by the number, and I have a video before each assignment. So watch the videos first, please, and then you may do the assignments. If there's any questions at all, or if something's not working, a broken link, something, please let me know as soon as possible so I can help you to fix that. So as you notice, assignment 1 video, how to use Cube app, screenshot, and submit assignment. So the assignment is using the Cube app, screenshot, and submitting the assignment. Then we have assignment 2 video, using your camera app to submit assignments. So you're going to work in your student book. Hopefully you're able to go to school and get your supply box and get your student book so you can work this week and write a little bit. And then assignment 3 is a video about boxing baseballs, and the assignment's about boxing baseballs. Then we have a video from Mrs. Hamill from Boston Harbor. She's teaching us about volume, which is this whole theme is volume this week. And then the assignment that follows her video is about volume Brad's baseballs. I'll put the exit slip on there later this week. So when I go back to our weekly folder, we go back. Then I have a video here of a Wonders tutorial, how to log into Wonders. So please watch this video. It'll get you into your reading curriculum. And then you may click into ELA, must do. And I have 3 assignments right now in our ELA. We have a Wonders assignment dialogue. I have all the videos embedded in the slideshows in the ELA. So all the videos are inside of the actual assignments. So you're not going to see any videos here. Dialogue, we are going to identify theme this week while reading stories and focus on short vowels. So that is ELA. And then our Read Aloud folder is here in the same folder, and it's Seed Folks Read Aloud chapters 1 through 3. And again, Miss Hamill, she's a rock star. She read this. She did the read aloud for us, so you'll hear her voice for the read alouds in Seed Folks. So follow along. It's a slideshow again. Follow along with each slide and answer those questions the best you can. Okay, if there's something that's not making sense or confusing, it's okay to skip it and just let me know about that. Okay, so that is our weekly folder. In the science folder, I'm going to put our robotics, our new robotics coding when that comes in. So nothing in there yet, so I don't need to click on that. Let me go back to our front page. I'm hoping everyone got their supply box, and I want everyone to get their, if you have 2 notebooks, we're going to label our notebooks. I don't care what they look like. They can be big or little, same size, different size. I have 2 notebooks here that are different sizes, but that's okay because I can label each differently. So I want one labeled math. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this one I have math on the top, and the other one, if you have 2, let's do ELA on the other one, okay? ELA. So math and ELA folders. We need to get organized because we're going to be taking notes in math this week about dimensions and rectangular prisms. So there's some pictures of my notes there's some pictures of the notes in the lessons coming up. So you're going to want to have some paper or a notebook this week to take notes. Okay. So if there's any questions, let me know, please. And I hope you have a wonderful week. And I cannot wait to see you on our Zoom meetings, live and in action. Is that what they say? All right. Take care. Go Hawks.